जय गजानन। गणेशाय नमस्तुभ्यं, हेरम्बाय एकदन्तिने, स्वानन्दवासिने तुभ्यं, ब्रह्मणस्पतये नमः. So Madasura is pacified. He attained peace. He surrendered to Ganesha. He went back to Patal Loka. Now, Gritsamada Rishi was telling the story to Prahlada. Prahlada says, it was great to listen to the story of Madasura, and in fact, I was so engrossed in it. Now, please, I am having a desire to hear more stories about Ekadanta, Gajanana. Similarly, Sutta, when he was narrating to Shaunaka and others, there also those rishis and munis, they say we are also eager to listen to more stories. So, what did Gritsamuda say after to Prahlada after completing the story of Madasura? So all of them were eager to listen to more stories. So the Gritsamada said, yes, there are many more stories of Ekadanta. I'll tell you presently. So he says, now I shall tell you about the story when Ganesha was born in the house of Kashyapa Rishi. Kashyapa as his son. So at that time, this one, Prahlada is asking, see how many questions he has asked in that one question. He says, O Yogindra, how did the Lord incarnate in the house of Kashyapa as a son? How did he kill the Daitya twins Devantaka and Narantaka? Kindly narrate in detail. Also tell me why he incarnated as the son of Shiva. How did he kill Danava Durmati? O Swami, as a son incarnate of Kapila, how did he slay Ganasura? Please tell all these legends. So someone who knows so much, I am just drowning in the. For someone who's drowning in this ocean of samsara on this materialistic world, your stories are very, very illuminating and relieving. So please continue the story. So this was in Treta Yuga. So Gritsamada Rishi says, in Kruta Yuga, that is before Treta Yuga, in Kruta Yuga, there lived an ascetic Daitya named Raudraketu. Raudraketu in the region of Gauda. He had a beautiful wife, Sharda, who gave birth, because he was an Asura, she gave birth to twin sons, and whom were named as Devantaka and Narantaka. They were dreaded by all. Once Narad, now because he was in the Krita Yuga, this was in Krita Yuga. So in Krita Yuga, everybody, most are sattvic in nature, but there were also asuras. But even these asuras, they were also well versed in the Vedas. They also had knowledge of Vedas, and they also were ascetics. Even among the asuras, there was this ascetics, that is sannyasis among the this also, or who had, but here he is in this this Daitya, they gave birth to two twin sons. So the Daitya, who was a hater of Brahmins, because he hated Brahmins, he named his two sons Devantaka and Narantaka. Narada happened to come that way, and he initiated these two sons in the five syllabled mantra, Panchakshara mantra of Shiva, Om Namah Shivaya. And so these two sons, they took up that mantra and went to the forest and meditated for years and years on this mantra. After 1,000 heavenly years, one heavenly year itself is a big number. So multiply that by 1,000. So 1,000 heavenly years, they meditated on this mantra, and then they were blessed with the present, with the manifestation, or Shiva manifested before them, and he said, "Ask me for a boon." So they said, we should not die at the hands of anybody who's born who has a name and form. That is, anyone who has a form, that is who has an akara, and who has made up of the pancha mahabhutas. Anybody who's living in this world should not kill us. So Shiva was okay with it, as long as they said that we should not die at all. he said Tatastu and went away. These to now I will not narrate in detail how the asuras capture all and how they become great, become the master of the three worlds, because we have seen enough of description of the battles. First they capture all the kingdoms on the earth, then they go to Sargaloka, then they go to Vaikunta, then they go to Kailash, then they go to Shakti, all that they capture, and then finally when they want to even do, like last we saw when in the Madasura, even after capturing all the lokas, if they want to reduce the power of the devas, they stop the yajna karmas, so that the food or oblations, offerings made to the devas do not reach them, and so they starve. So this was the condition. So both these Devantaka and Narantaka did that. These asuras, and so the devas went to Gananatha and prayed to him. See, these two people are creating havoc. And so he, Ekadanta said, don't worry, I will be taking birth in the house of Kashyapa Rishi, and at that time I will kill all of them. So so it was at that time in Kruta Yuga that Aditi, the first wife of Kashyapa. Kashyapa had three wives, Aditi, Diti, and Danu. Aditi was the one who gave birth to all gods, Indra, Varuna, Agni, Vayu, all of them. Diti was the one who gave birth to all Daityas. So, this Aditi, one day she told Kashyapa, I have given birth to so many gods. All are occupying important positions in the Swargaloka, and they are all doing good work. They are all in charge of the elements, sky, water, means the rain god, fire god, all of them. They are doing great. Now I am having the desire to have Brahma himself as my son. Brahma means the Brahmanaspati Ganesha as my son. So Kashyapa Muni initiated her into the Ashtakshar mantra. He gave her this mantra. Ashtakshara mantra is Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. So he said, you chant this mantra. So she took that mantra, meditated, and contemplated on the mantra, and kept chanting the mantra for 100 years. After 100 years, Ekadanta manifested before her. And so she asked him, he told, what boon do you want? So she said, I want you to be born as my son. So Ganesha said, Tatastu, and then and he was born as he was born in the household of Kashyapa Muni to Aditi as the son. So this in this avatar, as a son of Kashyapa Muni, he as a child itself, just like Krishna, how as a child Krishna killed so many Rakshasas, Ganesha did a number of such deeds when he was a small child itself. So even playfully, one day, once a Rakshasi by name of Viraja came to attack him, he swallowed she swallowed this Vignesha. He ripped open her stomach and came out, and thereby he killed her. Then two Rakshasas named Dundhara and Uddhata. They came as parrots. They took the form of parrots and they came to attack him when he was just playing in the garden. So Vinayaka caught them by their feet and battered them on the stone and killed them. Then once, when he had gone with Aditi to the river for a bath, a Gandharva who had assumed the form of a crocodile caught hold of his leg in the when he had placed his leg in the waters. So he pulled that leg and flew up into the sky, pulling the crocodile along with him. And then he just suddenly he released him. So he fell with a bang and he died. Now that crocodile happened to be a Gandharva, and so when he died, he became a Gandharva again. So in fact, even though the crocodile died, Gandharva was happy that you released me from a curse, and so he went back to the heavens. Then when during the thread ceremony of the child Vinayaka, 5 Rakshasas came as Brahmins. They wanted to kill Vinayaka. So, at the conclusion of the thread ceremony, Brahma, Vishnu, and other all the gods and Vasishta, all these munis also had come to bless Ganesha. Now, this Brahmins, he found this, located these Brahmins in the crowd and he killed them, Vinayaka. In the same thread ceremony, these gods had come. At that time, Indra also came. Now, Indra was, he did not pay respects to Ganesha. Even though Kapila said, don't do like that. See, this is Ganesha, you should give respect. He didn't bother. He wanted to test that child. So, what he did, he sent an hurricane, which was so strong and forceful that it was capable of just blowing everything away. But Gajanana stood firm and resisted that wind. And so then when he was unable to means when he found that he was resisting that strong hurricane, Indra got more jealous. He sent Agni to burn, but the child consumed Agni. And when Indra was naturally now surprised, astonished how this child Vinayaka is able to command all the, I mean, he is able to handle the such a forceful wind, he is able to handle Agni. So when Indra stood flabbergasted like that, Vinayaka inhaled, sucked in Indra into his stomach. He just sucked Indra into his stomach. See, as a child, this all looks like fiction, sci-fi fiction, or you can say whatever fantasy. But this all had he had done all these things in and when he was a child in Kashyapa Rishi's house, when he was born as a child to Kashyapa. So he sucked this Indra into his stomach, and Indra went into this Udara, stomach of this Ganesha, and he found the whole universe inside. He found so many planets revolving and all of that, and he also there inside that stomach. So he felt that he was lost in that world inside. He thought he was inside for 100 years. He was inside that stomach. Then he prayed to Vignesha, please release me. I can't, I'm suffocating here inside. So Vignesha, he just exhaled him out. He just blew him out of his out, and he fell outside. And for actually outside, only 1 minute had passed, but for Indra inside, it was like 100 years. So then Indra then bowed to him, and then he said, like, Jaan bachi, Jaan chutti, we say. So he felt thankful that he was spared, and he went. Later, then once what had happened, the king of Kashi had invited Kashyapa Rishi for a yajna to preside as a chief priest. But at that time, Kashyapa Rishi he was already appointed. I mean, he had already was engaged in doing as a chief priest for some other yajna, so he couldn't go. So he sent Ganesha with Vinayaka with the king. So the king of Kashi and Vinayaka Ganesh both were going to the palace. On the way, Dhumrak, Dhumaraksha, one demon, confronted Vinayaka. Vinayaka killed him instantly with the Surya Astra. So when this Dhumaraksha was killed, his two sons, Jagna and Manu, they advanced towards this Ganesha. So Vinayaka just blew at them and they just flew, they were hurled into the skies. They swirled in the skies and fell in the palatial house of Narantaka. They were hurled up in the sky, and then when they fell down, they happened to fall on the big palace of Narantaka. So when Narantaka was shocked that from the sky these two guys have fallen down. So they narrated him the story what had happened, that on the on the road when Ganesha and King of Kashi were going to their palace, they confronted him because he had killed his father. He had killed their father. So they challenged Ganesha, but he had simply blown him up, and now they had landed in Narantaka's house. So when they narrated the incident to Narantaka, an agitated Narantaka sent an army of 500 Rakshasas to kill Vinayaka. This child Vinayaka, 500 Rakshasas were sent. When Ganapa saw the evil army, he simply snorted. He just snorted, and all the Rakshasas were terrified and died. Okay, if you can imagine, please imagine, if they were all terrified and they all died. Vinayaka and the king arrived, then finally they arrived at Kashi. Accepting his grand welcome, he reached Kashi. There at Kashi, at that time, because it was Krita Yuga. In Krita Yuga, Mudgalacharya was there in Kashi. He was the guru at that time. Yuga Guru, jo hai, like Vyas Muni, he was occupying the position of Vyasa. So Mudgalacharya had already told the citizens that Ganesha is going to come. Who is Ganesha? He is Brahmanaspati. Merely by having his darshan, all of you will get liberated. Means all your sins will be destroyed. You will be get purified, and so you all should worship him. You should sing his bhajans, fall at his feet, and all that he had prepared them mentally. How about the greatness of Ganesha? Because Mudgalacharya himself was a part incarnation of Ganaka Rishi, or Ganesha himself, you can say. When as a form of light he came in to Kashyapa to Angiras and his wife, he was born in their house. So he himself was, in the earlier Janam, he was the Vyasa as an ansh of Ganesha himself. So he had already had prepared the city, the town of for arrival of Vinayaka. So when finally Vinayaka came, the women filled with devotion rushed to be near Vinayaka without fear of their father, brother, spouse. There was a crowd on the royal path. His arrival into the town was celebrated with festivities. A beautiful lady was forbidden from leaving the house, so she committed suicide. She fractured her forehead in his presence, and the devoted lady merged with Vinayaka. This was one of the incidents. The child Vinayaka was being worshipped by the devoted subjects. At every square, at every chalk, you can say, he was welcomed. They performed his arati. But in that crowd, there were two asuras who mingled with the subjects. Vinayaka immediately recognized them, captured them, and crushed them against each other, and then flung them far away, 10 yojanas away. 1 yojana is 13 kilometers. So he flung them 10 kilometers, 10 yojanas away. So 130 kilometers away, he flung them. The subjects of Kashi were astonished, and they acknowledged Ganapa. Thereafter, two asuras assumed the form of a whirlwind with the intention of kidnapping the child Vinayaka. But Vinayaka hit them on the neck and killed them. So, in this particular chapter, as son of Kashyapa, none of these Rakshasas were spared. All of them were killed. Nobody asked for forgiveness, nobody surrendered. All of them were simply thrashed out by Ganesha. Later on, the Daityas assumed the form of boulders, and that boulders came down rushing from the top of the hill right to where Ganesha was standing, where Vinayaka was standing. Then Vinayaka shattered it with his feet. Thereafter, the king of Kashi took Vinayaka to his home and with great devotion and reverence performed his puja. He appointed him as the priest. Now, so this is all the action the childhood of Vinayaka when he was born as son of Kashyapa and Aditi. So this ends Vinayaka. Vinayaka arrives at Kashi, this chapter 56th chapter of the second kand of the Purana Upanishad, Srimad Bhadgal Purana. We will continue later what happened at the Kashyapa, at the king of Kashi's palace. It's very interesting. It's one of the most narrated or discussed stories of Ganesha. So we will see that tomorrow. Okay, today we'll discuss on something important which came up, which, as you said, Govikar, what is going on? ये क्या हो रहा है इस देश में? Whether it is a balloon, whether it is illusion, whether it is reality, क्या हो रहा है ना? We are all confused, thoroughly confused. Nobody is able to know what is happening. What is shown on one platform is the same as another platform, or whether they are the same thing.
So there are always two opinions.
Two opinions.
Whichever
And
party is
both are
ruling.
different. Both
Yeah.
are different. Means don't
Yeah.
diametrically opposite each other.
Right.
One is showing one is glorifying and one is condemning.
Condemning.
And both look so correct.
No.
Which looks not correct? Which according to you, you feel
According
is
to
not.
their history, if you see, according to the history of the ruling party, which was last time, earlier Congress, you see the deeds they have done, all ghotalas, every month or so ghotala. They have siphoned up, actually looted the country. And most of it has gone to Italy. See, that lady used to get sick every year during a particular month. And she being a, what you call, political head, her baggage was not checked. It was straight away went to this thing and she went to Italy. Under the pretext that she's falling sick, she has fallen sick, she's going for treatment. A month or so she'll stay and she'll come back, I'm okay now. And this repeats every year. And the trunks which were going, nobody knew what is in that. They have amassed wealth like anything.
Okay.
Which Modi has given out for the people's use. Like,
if it is already gone, from where did Modi get it?
Whatever is being generated, no. They were also generating wealth, no.
No, I'm saying, no. What? See, let us get one step by step. Whatever she has taken out, how did Modi get to distribute?
Modi is distributing what he is getting now.
What he is getting. Okay. So what he is getting, he is distributing. How he is distributing? So what is your contention?
Look at the development, no?
What development?
Roads, airports, everything has come up.
How many bridges have fallen? How many accidents have taken place? How many roads have potholes? You have gone outside Kandivali and see. Okay, not Kandivali. You see how many potholes are there on the roads in Bombay itself, in Bangalore also, in every place. All accidents are happening. Accidents are happening.
Also.
Okay. So no. Okay. So the whatever highways, infrastructure. Some infrastructure is good, partly good, but there also wherever it is good, there are heavy tolls. Wherever, like Bombay Pune highway, there are big tolls, but wherever there are no tolls, those bridges have all fallen. Those highways, bridges have all, where there is no toll, that is where those bridges or highways are not good. Then, okay, that is one. Next.
Next what? The corruption.
No, what you have done?
The corruption which was going on earlier, 11 years back.
Now it is all legalized.
Legalized in the sense it is going
legalized
to the
in the
people.
sense, legalized in the sense, the laws that which was proving that it is not, that it was black money, it is approved by the government, by the laws. So it is not corruption. When laws are removed, when laws saying that this is black money or this is not black money, those laws are removed, then It doesn't become, see how they do it. If there is black money, if some income is generated on which tax is not paid, they get transferred to tax havens. Now you are saying when Congress was there, it went to Italy. Did was Modi able to get it back? Which he promised? No.
How can he get it back? No.
So, okay. So that is gone. That is gone and nobody has proved where it is, how it is, whom it has gone, nobody. Or ye log वैसे ही है. And Sonia Gandhi, she goes every year, but she is here only in India. And we know her lifestyle, what she's eating, what she's drinking, what she's moving, where she's moving. Right in front of our eyes only she is there. Okay? And we don't know what was in those trunks. It was ticket. That may be some maybe true, maybe not be true. Proof maybe there ticket. But then, what about happening during this period? After that period, all the money that is generated has been kept in safe havens like Singapore and where there are no taxes, Dubai, UAE, at certain countries where it is being, and there it gets transferred to shell companies. From that shell companies, it is transferred back into India, and on that as investment, on that no tax. So जो मनी इधर से फॉरेन जाता है वो उस पे भी टैक्स नहीं लगता है, जो वापस आता है उसके पे भी टैक्स नहीं लगता है. इसके लिए जो गवर्नमेंट टैक्स कलेक्शन इज एक्चुअली रिड्यूस्ड. सो व्हाट दे डू, दे हैव बीन इंक्रीजिंग जीएसटी by 18%, 30%, 25% up to 50% on so many products for so many years now. Today now they have removed. Now, last month they removed. But till then, they were taxing all the common people. Means our each and everything what we buy from the vegetable market or from जो भी हम उसमें tax.
That was there earlier also in some other form.
That form was on corporate taxes. It was not on the common things. हर चीज पे टैक्स कलेक्शन नहीं होता था. इट वॉज जनरली ऑन द होलसेल मैन्युफैक्चर्ड प्रोडक्शन, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड्स, सो विच वॉज गोइंग टू द गवर्नमेंट. बट अभी वो मैन्युफैक्चर जो है वो उसमें से टैक्स कम कर दिया है. दे हैव रिड्यूस दैट टैक्स टू 3% कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स. और फिर वो जब पैसा वो लोग जो जनरेट करते हैं, दे मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इन ऑल दीज अदर कंट्रीज वेयर देयर आर विच आर टैक्स हेवन्स. इन शेल कंपनीज देयर इज फंड ट्रांसफर to legally made companies, but they're shell companies. There is nobody in those companies. That company doesn't produce anything.
Only one room, there are 100 companies in the same room.
Address registered office may be same, or and those companies are made only for transactions, entry, book entries. So और फिर the government has passed another law that जब वो money बाहर से जब अंदर आता है, the person who is bringing it in, we don't have to question from where he got it. वो एक law pass कर दिया है.
That is
आप चेक कर सकते हैं. Companies Act, they have passed a law that you don't have to verify his source, means that source of that money. So again, जो ब्लैक मनी बाहर गया वो व्हाइट होके आ जाता है. तो इस तरह you say that one government they did black money, you have done the same thing in bigger way, multiplier way. अभी अगर हम $1 trillion इकोनॉमी हो गया है, that means multiply हो गया है ना, exponentially increase हो गया है.
3.9
कुछ बदला नहीं है. And if still the people are on the streets, means अगर कोई जो भी employment है, all those who are doing employment, what are they doing? They are doing social media से कमा रहे हैं, घर में बैठ के online business कमा रहे हैं ना, by posting things on YouTube, clicking and getting money, means वो है source of income. उनको वो क्लिक्स के लिए ₹2 मिलता है या 2000 रुपया महीना मिलता है. So that in that way they are employed. But what production is happening?
Output is not there.
Production is not happening. Manufacturing is dead. When manufacturing, if you're putting social media posts 200 per day or 20 per day, you're doing 100 clicks per day
You're
and
not
you're earning
generating
money,
anything.
you may be earning money and you'll be spending that money also in travel, which is wasteful. Means वहां से कुछ कमाई नहीं हो रहा है. It is spending is happening. Consumption is happening. You're buying more t-shirts, you're buying more tickets for railway travel, air travel has increased. Means you see which areas have increased. Then when all areas that have increased are service oriented areas, hotels में या hotel booking में या travel में या air travel में या these kind of or purchase of luxury, all these items. Nowadays, now we have more t-shirts than what we used to have in earlier. At every naya aa raha hai. Every Diwali naya car people are buying. The old cars, there are godowns भर के पड़ा हुआ है, which is unsold old cars, second
Second-hand
hand
cars.
cars. Nobody is buying them. Miles together, kilometers में पड़ा हुआ है. Whereas because they want to buy every day, every Diwali, every Dasara aa raha hai, Navratri, the Dashami ko, you buy one new car. It has become a habit. Every और नया मॉडल आते रहता है. कितना मोबाइल्स खरीदते हैं. So every upgrade you want to upgrade, and advertisement, these are wasteful expenditure ना. Means हो रहा है expenditure हो रहा है but प्रोडक्शन मार्केट में क्या है. चाइना का टी शर्ट्स है, चाइना का थिंग्स है, वो खरीद रहे, वो लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हैं. हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेड है. हमारा मार्केट में सब कुछ, अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट देखो, मेड इन चाइना. At the most, if it is you can put it as assembled in India. Nothing is made. So much of the what we used to do, and then we are only doing services. Even the IT companies में सारा services जो है, we are serving the Western people.
What
उनका
America is
बैंक,
doing.
उनका रात भर बैठ के उनका ट्रांजैक्शंस का सर्विसिंग करे, कस्टमर सर्विस. All what we are sitting here and doing also, we are serving them. So services only is happening. So this is not production. So real, that is what the other day I was showing the presentation. We are a 3.5 trillion debt. We are 3 trillion economy, no doubt. But that's all debt. And to match it, what is this? This expenditure. It is not asset. You don't have so many components, so many things manufactured. Yes, some of it is still there. Some production, some things keep happening. But it is not commensurate with this. Because most of it is wasteful expenditure. How many tunnels have fallen down? How much of destruction has happened? All what they are building in for this tourism and all, everywhere they are collapsing.
Not everywhere.
Everywhere means wherever crucial areas.
No,
Uttaranchal
there is
में
a
जहां पर
ratio.
काशी द्वार all this Kedarnath, Badrinath, where lakhs rush every year. Means जो regular लिख दे सकते हैं कि अगला साल इतना टूरिस्ट होगा. And that has doubled because of facilities.
That is
Means you
because of
have
natural calamities.
hmm?
That is because of natural calamities. Whatever is
Why
happening.
natural calamities? Because the mountains are overloaded. वो इतना भारी मशीन पकड़ता नहीं है. If you put the soil has become so soft.
The trees, they catch the mountains, they by the
Trees
roots.
keep the mountains together. But when the trees are cut for making some tunnel or from some highway and this and that, तो वो collapse हो जाता है. These natural calamities are also created only.
Man-made.
Man-made. And then you make constructions on river beds. And then when river अपना जगह पे तुम लोग आ गए तो वो river अपना रास्ता ढूंढेगा ना. See, we will have to probe deep into it, and for everything, the attention is diverted to something else. Now, what was when you're saying that we don't know whether this is true, which to believe? This looks true or that looks, both look contradictory to each other, because when one channel is showing that it is destroyed, when the boulders are this, immediately this channel shows that this man has gone to China to meet this person, he's handshaking or he's hugging or whatever he's doing. Means it is, you are
nullifying it.
डाइवर्टेड. हाँ, तो तुमको मालूम नहीं कि ये देखना है कि ये देखना है. ओके, ये तो बुरा हाल दिख रहा है, तो ये देखेंगे कम से कम. You can see some foreign lands and foreign people shouting, and you get carried away.
No, but worldwide also there is recession.
No, worldwide अलग बात है. वहां तो रियल वॉर चल रहा है. वहां रियल वॉर चल रहा है.
How many countries are fighting against each other?
So many countries are fighting. वो रियल वॉर है. यहाँ कोई वॉर नहीं है. यहाँ शांति का टाइम में ये ऐसा पूरा भूकंप चल रहा है अंदर. People are hoodwinked. We are hoodwinked into believing, or means it's not a make believe. He's really going there. He may be, but in 140 trips in 6 months, was it necessary? And what was accomplished? Everywhere enmity. कोई हैंडशेक भी नहीं कर रहा है आखिर में.
No, but this SCI, now that this thing was there, where 40 countries have supported India to buy the goods because America, they're boycotting. So
that who's telling? Who is telling that? Do you have proof of, have they produced a document that they have agreed? These people are telling, these people, they are talking. They have talked to 40 countries that abhi dekho, they're going and begging, please buy our goods. America is refused. I mean, we are not able to sell in America, or so you all buy now. And then these people are saying the 40 countries have agreed. Have they written? Any written document is there?
So that is material.
Have any contract has been signed? No. See, ये सब हवा में है. ये लोग बोलते हैं, बोलना तो बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं ना. Yesterday, what he said, we have built 400 universities out of 7. I gave those statistics, no? Out of so many 70 billion euros worth. That means वो सारा 70 बिलियन यूरोस बोरो करके लोन लेके ये बनाया है. बट एडमिशन किसी को नहीं मिला है. टीचर्स नहीं है कॉलेजेस में. तो ये यूनिवर्सिटीज बनाने का प्लान जो बनाया है ना, वो बनाया है प्लान. बना कुछ नहीं.
यूनिवर्सिटीज
जो है वो है, जो यूनिवर्सिटीज दिख रहा है ना वो है. कुछ नया 1 यूनिवर्सिटी पर वीक बना बोल रहा है ना. You must be seeing all universities all around. You are finding floods all around. कहाँ यूनिवर्सिटीज है? और बच्चे तो they are telling we don't have admissions, we are not able to get admissions and everything. फिर ये मिसमैच है ना. जो ग्राउंड रियलिटी है और वो जो बोल रहे हैं वो मैच नहीं हो रहा है. चैनल को एक स्क्रिप्ट दिया जाता है, सवेरे सवेरे वो चलाओ. सारा चैनल्स को वही चलाना है सवेरे से शाम तक. In different ways. Each one you can put your talent of words and shout in different ways.
And we are seeing it whole day, we believe it.
Whole day you see that only, and your brainwash हो जाता है.
No, see, if one thing is thrown at you a number of times, you will believe it as true.
Yes. So that is the easy way, no? रियली कौन वेरीफाई करना चाहता है? तुम तो वी आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टीवी में सब कुछ अच्छा दिखता है, और वो एक ही पिक्चर को अलग अलग एंगल से दिखा के, एंड वी डोंट इवन नो ये आज का है कि 4 साल पहले का है. सेम थिंग इन ओल्ड वाइन इन न्यू बॉटल, डालते रहते हैं। और अच्छा, और अभी जब रियलिटी सामने आता है तो जो रियली वो बिलीव करते थे उनको ही शॉक, इट इज लाइक ए शॉकिंग इफेक्ट ना, शॉक इफेक्ट आ रहा है कि ये कैसा हुआ हमारे आंखों के सामने। दे कांट एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे ना, बिकॉज हाउ कैन वी गेट डिल्यूटेड टू दैट एक्सटेंट।
No, but the people
कोई
who are
कोई
in delusion.
नो बट गो फैक्ट्स। अभी भी जो बोल रहे हैं वो, जो अभी भी वो लोग अगर बोल, नाउ एवरी ऑब्जेक्शन दैट इज बीइंग रेज्ड by Rahul Gandhi and all the opposition, whoever is trying to find out the truth about the thing, when they are doing, for everything there is a counter by the ruling party, which is diagonally opposite or diverting. They are not clarifying that.
No, but Rahul Gandhi,
प्रूव नहीं कर रहे वो
he
जो,
finds fault in everything Modi does, whether
that
it
is
is
that
good
is
or
that
bad.
is what is made to believe, that is what is made to believe। हर चीज को जब आपको बोलेंगे तुम पागल हो ना, एक दिन सोचने लगे रियली हम पागल है।
Now he's come up with a hydrogen bomb.
दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मैटर, दैट्स नॉट अ हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब, दैट इज वो हरियाणा का जो वोट्स है ना वो निकलेगा बाहर। वहां क्या घोटाला किया है ना वो बाहर, एच हरियाणा, एच फॉर हरियाणा, हाइड्रोजन को हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब करके बोला तो तुमको शॉक
हाँ,
मिलेगा ना।
हाँ।
अभी काउंटर शॉक करना पड़ता है, एक शॉक से हिलाने के लिए यू नीड टू, व्हेन अ रॉक्स गेट सॉलिडिफाइड यू नीड टू बर्स्ट इट, यू कांट हैमर से नहीं हो रहा है। You need a stronger force to counter this level of um, delusion. Delusion is a very mild word. Can say it is a, you created a parallel world, parallel make believe world, and and they have made it so true. लेकिन अगर हर चीज को देखेंगे तो हर चीज फॉल्स है, हर चीज। They have changed history itself. They say independence was given in 2014 when the BJP came into power. We got our independence. Then what about those people who fought, who died? You can change the history. Then our records, the AI ka records jo hai, data bank, it will produce a new history. 20 years down the line, your children will not know what was the real history. Just like when the Britishers changed our culture, we told that Britishers changed all our history books and they made it that Machiavelli's and all books are there. But then वो Machiavelli का सब हार्ड कॉपीज है और जो पुराना जो था वो सब जला दिया। बट फिर भी कुछ कुछ संस्कृत का जो बुक्स है उसमें है रिकॉर्ड्स, and many of the original records which were taken to Germany, which were taken by these invaders जो पहले आए थे, even this Machiavelli, you see जो records, हमारा history books will be available in the British Museum. The original Rajas का history books are still available in the British, German, जो वो लोग आए थे उधर पड़ा हुआ है। लाइक वेटिकन लाइब्रेरी में इतना सारा बुक्स है ना, तो वैसा द पीपल हु हैड अर्ली हैड कॉन्कर्ड अस अर्ली, वहां आपको सारा मिलेगा। चाइना में तो बहुत मिलेगा इंडिया का हिस्ट्री। So we need, see, we are trying to do a band-aid job. जहां सर्जरी चाहिए वहां बैंडेड चला चला रहे हैं हर चीज के लिए। पिछले 11 साल में सारा बैंडेड वर्क किया हुआ है, विद द रिजल्ट हर चीज, हर जिसको बैंडेड लगाओ तुरंत वो बंद हो जाता है। एंड आवर माइंड इज सो फिकल कि उतना तक ही हमको याद रहता है, सवेरे का शाम को याद नहीं आता है। बाय द टाइम 10 अदर न्यूज कम्स ऑन द मोबाइल।
But Modi was there in Gujarat first as chief minister.
Now go to Gujarat and see. Now go to Ahmedabad. Now you're going no next month. जा रहे हो ना? तो
I've
पूछो.
seen, no.
हाँ?
I
कैंसिल
was
किया?
there last 5 years.
No, I am telling now you go. अभी अभी ये जो हुआ ये कांड जून में से के मई के बाद ही हुआ है ना? मई के बाद गया है क्या?
No.
नो ना, अभी ये जो शुरू हुआ जब पहलगांव वो जो वेयर इज दैट पहलगांव ना?
Pulwama.
पुलवामा.
Pahalgam.
पहलगांव हाँ. उसके बाद ही ये सब इनका कांड सब निकला ना बाहर. बिकॉज दैट पहलगांव इटसेल्फ वाज अ फोर्ज्ड वाज अ हुडविंकिंग. वो फॉल्स नरेशन था, फेक नरेशन था पूरा. और वो जो नरेटिव्स थे वो सारे लोग बाहर बैठ के नरेशन कर रहे थे यूट्यूब में. हमने कराची कैप्चर कर लिया है, ये कैप्चर कर लिया है, वो कैप्चर कर लिया है करके. थोड़ा बहुत ट्रू है, जो रियल फाइटिंग हुआ है वो ट्रू है जो आर्मी ने बताया. बट जो बहुत कुछ ड्यूरिंग द वॉर व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, पीपल वर अवेक द होल नाइट.
This Operation Sindoor you are talking about, no?
यस. तो उसके बाद ही ये एक एक बाहर निकला ना. The past 5 months only, what has been revealed is revealed, opened up, which itself is such a shock. Because for 12 years you sleep and then you suddenly wake up. So it is coming fast and furious. Itna, like, it's coming in, like, so much is getting revealed in every day. Or abhi, everybody is telling, means common people are telling. It is not that Rahul Gandhi is telling. Rahul Gandhi is simply walking. He's just going amongst the people and just interacting with them. And they are coming up with that what is happening. In Bihar, in one house, 4,000 people. In one house. That whole village doesn't have that much population. He's telling, I have 2 children. From where so many people came in my house? And all of them, Brahmins are there, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, Muslims, all are staying in his house. Ready to vote. नवंबर में वोटिंग है. अभी अगर कॉमन पीपल वही खुद ही आके बता रहे हैं, when he went to check up his voting, he found this. And then you pass laws that nobody will question the election commission, nobody will take action, nobody can take any legal action, he cannot be removed from his office. All laws इंतजाम करके रखा है.
But if that was true, he was.
It is true, no. It is coming in front of you. You don't want to believe it, and then you want to believe what the election commission is telling. That is a tragedy of a section of our society.
No, listen. Rahul Gandhi was asked to file an affidavit.
Why should he file? When you file
because
an affidavit,
when he says something is there.
That is not, you don't have to file an affidavit. For RTI, do you file an affidavit? And besides, he is a member of the leader of the opposition. He has already taken an oath. He doesn't have to file at all. If somebody else tells, then also, see, when I'm saying that
But
this person is not staying here, then I'll have to say on affidavit. But I'm not telling. It is you who have provided the data. तुम्हारा प्रिंट आउट है, तुमको देना है एफिडेविट, ये करेक्ट है. तुमको और एफिडेविट द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज गिवन द प्रिंट आउट, राइट? वो खुद ही ने नहीं बनाया, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दिया, वो खुद ही सर्टिफाई करके दिया है ना कि ये मेरा डाटा है. और वो अगर झूठा है तो वो कौन एफिडेविट देना है? यू हैव जस्ट शोइंग देम द मिरर. अगर हम मिरर दिखा रहे हैं तो कौन सामने में मिरर के सामने खड़ा है?
When you are showing the mirror,
what who is मिरर के सामने क्या है? वो डाटा है ना, उनका डाटा है, तो उनका प्रूव करना है कि वो सही है कि नहीं.
But what was the harm in filing an affidavit? If he
Why you
if
should
he
no?
knows,
See, you
that means
tell that you are mad.
he
Will I say that I
that
give
means
a
he's talking
certificate that
lies.
you're mad? Listen, someone is telling you you're mad, so please certify that I am mad. Whether you will give that you're mad?
But why should I?
See, it is not required of him. Why you are thinking that someone who is an authority, if they say, is always right?
If an
When he is
investigation is
wrong,
to
he has
take
to be
place,
shown.
if an investigation has to take place,
हाँ, they should
something is
investigate.
required.
वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है, इसका जरूरत नहीं है. पहला इन्वेस्टिगेशन करो.
No, but on verbal this thing you cannot investigate, no?
No, वर्बली हम दे
A
देंगे ना.
complaint has to come in writing.
वर्बली दे दिया, बोलो.
A complaint has to come in writing. They will
This
act
is
on that.
see, this has been pointed out on the data given by them.
No, whatever.
No, he doesn't
If
have
it
to
is
give an.
pointed out, you put
What
it
is
in
an
writing.
affidavit? What is an affidavit?
He's swearing in that this is true.
This is not true, ना. वही जो डाटा दिया है वो गलत है, वो दिखाना है ना. तो जो
डाटा
ट्रू
गलत है
है,
करके
जो
बोलना है ना.
सही है, तो वो बताना है कि वो सही है. See, we are telling it is false. He is telling it is right, no? So he has to prove that it is right.
No, but to whom he has to prove?
To who's pointing out the false?
No, who is pointing out? He has to say that I am pointing out, no?
It is false, ना. पिक्चर्स दिखाया, घर नहीं है, जीरो है, तो वो डाटा उनको दिखाना है कि हमने कर. बट दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द डाटा सेइंग दैट दिस इज. सी, जब आई थिंक वो अभी इतना भ्रष्ट हो गया है, पीपल आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लॉजिकल माइंड ऑल्सो. लॉजिक भी समझना नहीं चाहते हैं.
See, when you have a complaint, you go to the police station. What they say? Lodge an FIR. By just saying
that is because उनके पास कुछ भी लिखा नहीं है. बट अभी वो डाटा इलेक्शन कमीशन ने खुद दिया है, उनके पास है सारा सामने, तो क्यों लिख के देना है?
Somebody is challenging it, no?
We are challenging it, yes.
Yeah, but give it
वो
in
लिख के
writing.
दिया है ना. वो एफिडेविट में देने की जरूरत नहीं. एफिडेविट में क्या है कि मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ, वो उसका डाटा नहीं है. एक पब्लिक न्यूज़पेपर में जो आता है, सी न्यूज़पेपर में व्हाट वी आर पब्लिशिंग डाटा. Okay, does everybody give an affidavit that we are publishing something? No. Affidavit अलग होता है, where the election commission can take action against you. When we are pointing out some mistakes, we are not taking an oath for that.
No, but some complaint should be there, no?
Complaint he might have given in writing. He must have given it in writing. It is there in video. It is published everywhere.
He is just talking nonsense.
No, he has published in the newspaper. Published article आया है पूरा डाटा. That is good enough. अगर हम बैलेंस शीट, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स पब्लिक न्यूज़पेपर में डाल देते हैं ना, एनुअल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, that is disclosure as per Income Tax Act.
Yeah.
You don't require anything more than that. The chairman of the company, Canara Bank, doesn't have to say that this is my proof, this is my balance sheet. एक बार पब्लिश कर दिया, जो देखा तुम देखो ना देखो, हमने कर दिया है.
No, but if somebody is saying whatever is published by Canara Bank is false, it is a fraud, then he has to put a complaint, no? That it is false.
अरे वो फ्रॉड है तो वो अलग बात है ना. वो डिस्क्लोजर में आता है. See, when you are disclosing, you don't have to give an affidavit for that. You can raise in a meeting, annual general body meeting में आके बता सकता है. You don't have to give an affidavit, file an FIR and all for that. अगर कुछ मिला, कुछ भी simple letter in writing, customer complaint में डाल सकता है, या you just point it out in the annual general meeting, in the disclosure, in the financial statements, this is not correct. That is also enough. उसको जाके ओथ लेके कोर्ट में खड़ा रह के एफिडेविट देके वो सब जरूरत नहीं है.
एफिडेविट कोर्ट में जाने का जरूरत कहाँ?
मीन्स अटॉर्नी, वो जो लॉयर वो देता है, एडवोकेट, जो रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर के साथ जो है, who is allowed to plead in the court of law, वो साइन करना पड़ता है. सो इट इज एज गुड एज गोइंग टू द कोर्ट, एंड वो कोर्ट का बाहर ही बैठा रहता है. जो स्टैंप और सिग्नेचर करके देता है, वो it is as good as going to the court for that, no?
Why it is not going to the court? He is just giving an affidavit.
But that is producible in court, no? That document is producible in court, right?
It is producible.
So we are telling you are making a mistake, and as a body appointed by the government, by legally appointed, who are like canvas, I mean, who are managing these elections, they are answerable to the public that whatever they are doing is correct. When someone points out a mistake, it need not be only Rahul Gandhi. Even if an ordinary person goes there, he doesn't have to अगर मेरा वो जो बोल रहा है ना 0 नंबर मेरा घर में इतना लोग है, तो फोन को भी वो आंसर करना पड़ता है. Just because it is Rahul Gandhi and so you make a big issue out of it. अभी कल वो जो आदमी बोला बिहार से इन वन विलेज 400 लोग 400 या 4000 पता नहीं, that many people are in my shown as in my house in the election. Now whether he is going to give affidavit, and what about the 18,000 affidavits which was already given by Akhilesh Yadav, उसका कुछ जवाब नहीं दिया. जब all the while when it came to this situation, 18,000 एफिडेविट्स देने के बाद जब वो आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो और एक एफिडेविट देके क्या है, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, लाइक दैट, नो इट इज. उसका क्या किया तुमने? उसका तो जवाब नहीं दिया. आर्ग्यू फॉर आर्ग्यूमेंट सेक, ये नहीं चलने वाला. दिस इज वॉट दे हैव बीन एस्केपिंग. हर चीज के लिए एस्केप रूट ढूंढते रहते हैं, या डाइवर्जन, डिस्ट्रैक्शन.
Opinions differ.
No, yeah, opinions will differ until and unless you come to the table. They don't come to the table at all, no. वो मीडिया से बोलते हैं. They always talk on the media. They don't come to the table. Meeting बुलाओ, interview लो, I mean, come for a press conference. No, they don't come. 11 years में मोदी आया है press conference, and whenever an issue was raised, he didn't come to the parliament also. मणिपुर का 28 months के बाद आया ना. A burning issue as the head of the country, he has to go next flight लेके उधर जाना है. उल्टा वो जा रहा है China.
There are people to manage.
No, people. But who's the one who's taking? When he's taking, I am taking the credit for everything. He should take the responsibility also, no? जब वॉर जीत के इसका पोस्टर लग रहा है with the military uniform, he went to war.
He was supervising it.
If this is the way he supervised, then 43 times he should, someone else should not tell that it was I called the ceasefire. अगर ये ceasefire, ये एक बार भी नहीं बोला. 43 times some other countries head was telling.
That fellow Trump is a joker.
You can call him a joker or this one a joker. Both are.
No, every day.
This is a big circus. यहाँ तो बहुत बड़ा circus चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Or.
And we are
I don't know when this whole thing will blow up, or whether it will not be allowed to be blown up until इतना खोखला हो जाएगा तो अपने आप गिर जाएगा. And anthill, you know anthill मत में.
We can wait for that now. What else you can do?
तब तक हम जिएंगे, हमारे बच्चे जिएंगे, तब तक it will be an irreversible.
No, it won't go that long. At the most another 3-5 years.
अच्छा.
By 27 it should happen. By 2027
should have happened yesterday. Happen. The ideal time it should have happened was yesterday.
Why? Why yesterday?
अगर इतना जल्दी बोल सकते हैं वो तो माफ करो, आई एम एंडिंग दिस कॉल. इतना सब पूछने के बाद राम का सीता कौन था, या राम का ऐसा है. This country will
we'll wait. What else we can do? wait and see.
That's why
Wait
we
and
have
watch.
5-year plans. We have 5-year plans, rolling plans. अगर ये प्लान में नहीं हुआ, अगला 5 years में देखेंगे, ऐसा. ठीक है.
बट हुआ है, बहुत कुछ हुआ है.
ठीक है. All the best. So we'll
Thank
continue
you.
the discussion tomorrow. It's already 8 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.